Welcome in this video series. In this video, we are going to deal with the contact fields. So in this video series, I'm not going to cover the Google map. Okay, so let's go to the editor, and after the Twitter feed div, I'm going to have a new section with the ID of, let's say, contact. Okay, so inside the contact, I'm going to have a div with the class of container. Inside the container, div with the class of row. Inside the row, div with the class of call dash md dash 8. Okay, so if I just go to my page, you can see this is call md8, this is call md4, and I further divided this into call md6, call md6. This is the Bootstrap nesting column feature. So let's do this. Inside the call md8, I'm gonna have a div with the class of actually not div, actually I'm gonna have a form. So let's say with the ID of contact form. Okay, so inside the contact form, I'm gonna have a div with the class of row, just because I'm gonna use the nesting column structure. So now I'm gonna have a div with the class of call dash md dash 6. Okay, so now div with the class of, let's say, form group. This is the Bootstrap standard. Inside the form group, I'm gonna have a div, sorry, not div, input, let's say with the type of text. Okay, now with the class of, let's say, form dash control. This is also Bootstrap standard, and let's say placeholder will be holder, let's say your name, and now ID would be, let's say, name. Okay, sorry. Okay, so if I just go to my page and reload my page, then you can see the your name field. Okay, so now I'm gonna copy this form group and let me paste it 2 times. Copy. So here you can see I have your email and your number fields. So let's say type email, and here let's say email, your email, and here I'm gonna say tell email, your email. So let me save this, and if I just reload my page, okay, then you can see there are 3 fields. Okay, so now after this call md6, I'm gonna have a new call md6. So let's say call dash md dash 6. So here I'm gonna copy this form group, copy, and this time I'm gonna change input into text area, and here type is not mandatory, actually not required, and class would be form control placeholder your message, and ID would be message. Okay, so here now I need to close the text area as well. So let me save this, and if I just reload my page, then you can see my text area. Okay, so now let's have the contact button send message. Okay, so after this form group, I'm gonna have a button. Let's say type would be submit, and class would be contact. Okay, so let's say send message, sorry, send message. Okay, So now after this call md8, okay, I'm gonna have call md4 div with the class of call dash md dash 4. Inside the call md4 I'm gonna have h3 element first, so let's say h3 span paste. Okay, so after the h3 I'm gonna have address, so I'm gonna copy this. Now let's say address paste, so here let's say pr. Okay, so reload my page. Okay, so now I would like to have this contact information as well. So after the address I'm gonna have a div with the class of, let's say, contact number. So inside the contact number I have a font awesome icon and contact number, so let's say p, and inside the p I'm gonna have a span with the class of fa dash phone, and now I'm gonna copy this number as well, copy paste. So if I just go to my page, then you can see phone icon and phone number. Okay, so now I'm gonna copy this div and paste it 3 times. So now we can copy the, okay, so I'm gonna copy this number and you can see there is a mobile icon, so let's say contact number. So here I'm gonna say contact mobile, let's say mobile, and I'm gonna change the number. Okay, after the mobile, fax, and this is some kind of dummy fax number, so here I'm gonna say fax paste. Okay, so now envelope and the email, so I'm gonna copy this, paste, and the icon would be envelope O, and here I'm gonna say email. So let me save this, and if I just reload my page, then you can see the changes. Okay, so we have just completed the contact fields markup. So that's all for this video. Thank you.